Hello and welcome to Pipefy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use initial values to fix information on your public forms through simple commands. Initial values are used when you want to share information from a card with your requesters. This way, they can view specific information from your cards without accessing your pipes or even having to fill out these fields. In simple words, they can view a card's information without interacting with it. For instance, on this marketing request pipe, you can create connected cards to use information from specific requests. For that, you can create a pipe connection on your start form. Since your public form utilizes the first name you add to a field, you can add a simple name for it, such as Conex. Don't worry, after saving it, you can always come back to edit it. If you already named an existing field, don't worry, we can check this information for you through API if needed. In here, you can select Search Records by Title, since your pipe's title already exists, and number of entry is single. Then save it. Okay, the pipe connection is created. Since this field will only be used to fix information on your form, you can hide it on the form. By doing so, your requesters can fill it out. But keep in mind that this is an optional choice. How can you hide or show fields on your start form? You can do so by clicking on the three dots and set up field conditionals. For this example, let's leave it here. And let's go back to the public form to add the initial values. This is your public form's unique link. It's in here that you will add your initial values. First, you can add the question mark and then your pipe connection name, which is Conex. Then equal symbol. And back to your marketing request pipe, you can select any card that you want to connect with. For an example, let's pick this card, which ID is this one. Copy and paste on your public form. Then refresh it. After hitting enter, and here it is your connected card using the Conex initial value. Whenever you need to share information from the same pipe, you can use the same link with the initial values included. You can edit the pipe connection's name anytime, so this link won't change. Remember that the public form identifies your fields by extracting their first name, which are the initial values. When a requester fills out the public form, their information will be directly sent to your pipe as a connected card. Remember that by using the initial value logic, you will make specific information from your cards available for any external users to see, okay? So make sure that there aren't any confidential information. And that's it. This way you can customize your forms and make work easier by not needing to type the same information over and over while sharing your public form. If you need more hints on how to use Pipefy's features, you can check our help sidebar. Or you can click on the chat icon to talk to a support team. Thank you and see you next time.